Oh my lord. Look at all these parts. We have so many things here that need to go on cars. Intercooler, all kinds of stuff. And we just got another piece, didn't we?
Yeah,
what,
we did.
what did we get?
So I ordered this. This is a Canadian RSX seat heater panel.
Right on. Yeah, because you're all into heated seats, right?
Well, it's gonna get really cold, and I'd like to have warm cheeks in the
Warm cheeks. I love it.
So luckily, this came with a pigtail.
Yeah.
So I have to order some of the other parts needed to have heated seats, but
Looks like it's in really good shape, though.
yeah, guy was really nice. Shipped relatively quick, and it's in good shape. So
Where'd you get it?
I got it off eBay.
eBay. Right on.
Good seller.
All right. Well, that's good. And then what else are you going to need to get?
Well, I'm gonna need the not exactly sure what all of what I need, but I'm assuming there's a wiring harness and the actual rods that go under the seats that heat them up.
Yeah, so usually there's like an element that's called an element, not rods, and then they go behind the the material on the seat, and we'll have to wire it up. There's going to be a relay, right? A relay is this electrical switch. You use a low voltage to trigger a relay to pass a high, well, not voltage, amperage, a low amp switch to pass to a high amp circuit because you need more amperage to get seat heat, So I don't really know exactly what to do, but it's electrical, which is kind of like turns into voodoo sometimes, but we'll figure it out. A fuse, whatever. So, but we need a wiring diagram for this. Because we got these wires here, but we don't know where they actually go to.
No. There's like what, 6, 7 wires there?
Yeah, I don't know. So if you're watching this, please leave a comment below if you know where we're going to get a wire diagram from. I'm sure we can Google it, but let's test our followers and see.
Yeah, test the followers.
All right, cool. Well, what else do we got going on here? We got the TSX, which, what am I doing to this right now? Engine mount project. Yes. So that's about to go. The mounts are in there. There's another video for that you can watch when I post that up. I'm actually testing this RRC intake manifold cover here, and it doesn't quite like it fits, but I've got some interference right here, and then there's all this space here. I think I need to hog this out right here because the fuel line coming out here, there's no room. I got new bolts from Honda to go here, and then there's a stud that goes into that right there, threads into here. So I got that hardware. Honestly, the whole engine bay here needs to be redone. I got some cool pieces, but ultimately, the engine bay in this car has never been good, so not about that. We also, I used this ladder to climb up here earlier today to test an ultra racing brace on the S2000 to see if it fit with a CT icebox, which, spoiler alert, it doesn't, but we're going to have a short video showing that. And then I think the main thing to talk about right now, though, is these fuel injectors. So here, why don't you steer the camera, kiddo? So these are for the Civic out on the side over there. I sent the fuel injectors out to RC Engineering for them to, basically what they do is they throw them in their machine, test the flow rate, test the flow pattern, and then send them back to you, clean them all up and send them back. So they send you with new O-rings. Oh, no, wait, old parts. Look at, you got the old junk that came out. Yeah, see the little filters? No good, right? And then they got so much crap here. Yeah. So we got these beautiful new, well, not new, but refurbished RC injectors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we found out that these are 370cc, which I guess I could have read right on there that they're 370cc's. But here's what else you get. stickers.
Need the stickers.
Yep. More flow when you have stickers. You get a receipt, which I just bought these retail. You know, it was, I didn't buy them again. I cleaned them. $29 a piece. I paid for shipping to and from. So don't be cheap, right? Oh.
Oh.
All right, so then you get this report. Okay, so injector balance calibration test, the vehicle information that I put in when I sent them in. They logged the test and the date. But here's where we got here. Each injector, they test the flow rate, cc's per minute. And you could see that here they also check the pattern. And the flow rate was 348 on one, 310 on another, 297 on another, and 332 on the last one. And I did label them which injector number when I sent them. So, you know, when I put them in a little baggie, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Well, they kept them in order to show me, right? And I thought that I might have been having a problem with 4. But actually, that one wasn't so bad. But 3 was definitely flowing under. And here they'll show if the pattern was going good or not. And you could see that 2 out of the 4 were dripping, which probably means they were spraying. But there was like, instead of completely atomizing the fuel, which is supposed to turn into like a fog.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, after the cleaning and rebuilding, they got them all back up to 370. Flow pattern excellent. And some more details here on the report that aren't really as important to me right now. So there we go. Unfortunately, I don't have time to throw these in the car right now. I've got to go on a trip. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'll be gone for a week.
Oh, yeah.
And then when I get back next weekend, we're going to put those injectors in, see how the car runs, bang it out. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick HT Garage update. And stay tuned for more from Heel Toe coming up soon.